I mentioned a while back that I needed a new rod rack for my fishing rods, and here she is. I got it in. I got the KastKing rod rack 24. It holds 24 of my fishing rods. It's selected by outdoor media and fishing tackle industry professionals. It was a new product, showcase winner, ICAST 2015. I've heard really, really good reviews on this. I can't wait to get it together and use it. So hang on and let's put it together. It says to insert this pillar into the base jack. Alright, step one. Slide the face plate into the base logo side up. There's the logo. Little notches right here on the base plate. Just slide them right in. Bingo. Okay, now it says to insert the ball catch, which is the ball catch right here, on the upper and lower support bar, which is this, into the slide frame. So here's the little frame. And then we're going to push it in. Together. Now let's do the top one. Okay, top one is done. Now it's time to put on the lower support bar. And it just slides on. I'm just going to say right here right now because I don't know, and then you just tighten these up. Tighten up your adjustment screws. And let's put the upper one on now. Okay. Slide it down. Tighten up adjustment screws. Now I'm going to put on the protective caps back on the top of the pillars up here. And she's ready. Wow. It's amazing. Very lightweight. The way it's made, it's very durable. I'm going to read what it says here. KastKing rod racks are made of durable and rust-resistant aluminum. They are easy to assemble, which we just saw that. You don't even need a tool. KastKing rod racks are lightweight and portable. KastKing rod rack keep your fishing rods organized and protect them from accident and damage. KastKing rod racks are built to last a lifetime. I just got back from my first fishing trip of the season, and out at the park they have groups that come in every year, and the park sets this up. The park is loaded down with a big trailer that has tents and fishing rods and everything in it, and they set all this up, and then the families come in and, you know, get to participate in a camping trip. One of the things that they pulled out of their trailer that was holding their rods was a KastKing rod rack with all their rods in it. Galveston State Park uses the KastKing rod rack. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped you on how to set it up. Thank you very much.